Hello everyone, my name is Brian. A team has built an application. It consists of 2 mini games with 3 different approaches. My part is to build a reaction game using skin detection and movement detection.
I'm Darren. I've developed a real-time gesture recognition game which can recognize your boxing pose like jab, uppercut, etc.
Hi, I'm Thomas. I've developed a similar game which allows users to train their own model through internet by their own browser.
Hello, welcome to our presentation. We're presenting you a virtual boxing game. It is a game how boxers training their skills and reaction. We were inspired by VR games like Fitness and Switch, which is a trend in the market. So we also decided to make an interactive sport game using computer vision. The idea and advantage of boxing games to make players and environments for training at their own pace. So it could be an alternative of going to gym, and it could also be a family game. My part is to make an interactive game using skin and movement detections. I can quickly show you demo. As you can see, in the boxes are the detection area, so it detects skin color and movement. Once the player hit the monster correctly, they can get the scores.
In our second boxing game, we use a deep learning model called 3D CNN with LSTM to achieve real-time gesture recognition. Compared to the traditional CNN model, which is commonly used for classifying images, our third dimension is the number of frames in the video. We recorded our own dataset for this project. Due to the limited dataset problem, we used different techniques such as frame subsampling and video augmentation to solve it. After training our model, it can achieve up to 95% of accuracy. Our first prototype suffers from poor FPS because of the slow performance of object detection, especially on a 3D model which takes a number of frames before prediction. To tackle this problem, we took a multi-threaded approach to separate the reading of frames on the webcam from the object detection model, achieving concurrency and parallelism.
The web browser version starts at collecting data. This process is like prepare the material for the computer to learn how to classify the boxing pose. To let user computer webcam to collect the video data. This data will store locally and will use in the next step. The second step is model training. This process is like teaching the machine to learn how to classify the boxing pose. By fitting the video data of each boxing pose, machine will learn how to differentiate different poses. This training process is all running at client-side browser, so no privacy and security will be concerned. The final step is load the model as a game to classify the boxing pose. We will show in a demo of the game. In this game, you can see there is a line of command will be shown at the bottom of the screen. Then, user will need to do the corresponding pose. If the pose is correct, it will show hit on the screen and 1 score will be added. But if the pose is not correct, you will see it will be classified as a missed.